No, but I'm ashamed of what I'm telling you here, so I'm gonna stop. Now, before I leave, I got one more thought that I want to share with you. This is, if anybody's been to my Slovenian stand-up, then they already know it, but I'm going to share it with you in English stand-up, so I just want to see how it goes, okay? So bear with me. Anyway, you all don't know the GPS navigation system? There's one! Anyway, good for you, I'm really glad, I'm happy about it, so, but just shut up, okay? Don't tell them you already know it, okay? Anyway, GPS navigation system, I love the system, I love the machine, I love how it works, you know, you just punch in your destination, it just takes you there, you know, without, you don't even know how the shit works. But if we have such a great system for navigation, why don't we have it with some amusing voices? You know the voice that the GPS system has? Have you ever heard it? Okay, that's good. I get 2 answers. You know, you turn it on and like, hello, please select your destination. Calculating. You know, what the fuck are you calculating, bitch? You're a GPS system, not a calculator. Shut the fuck up. You should know this by heart. Anyway, you know, I don't like the voice. If we have such a great machine, let's have a great voice for it. So I heard that Germany already has this product. It's out. You can sell. You can buy it. I believe a number of countries has this. But I have a suggestion for Slovenia. So the voice, my voice, the one that I would like, would be the voice of a really confused guy. Really confused, you know. You would sit yourself in the car. You would turn on the GPS and go, yes, please, hello, yes, what? Hello, I'm here. No, who am I? You know, you would type in your destination. Oh, so that's where we're going. Very good. Can you just give me a hint where that is? Up, down, down. Oh, there. Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh, I have to tell you where. Straight on. Left. I didn't even see it. Now, after 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 meters, right? Something like that. Left. Now, go please a little bit slower so I can see where I am. Right. We'll get the next right. I think, I'm not sure. I haven't even seen the map. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even have a driver's license. I'm ashamed. My father always wanted for me to become a GPS system. I just wanted to be an iron. Iron ili kanik, so se ti Anyway, the second voice I would really like would be the voice of a real high-ass stoner, you know, a real pothead. You know, you would sit yourself in the car, you would turn on the GPS system. It wouldn't even turn on for the first minute. You know, then it would slowly turn on. And it's, hey man, what's up? Where we going this time, man? You would type in your destination. Oh, that's real cool, man. I know this guy there, man. He's got like the dopest dope of the dope, man. Oh, really? I was there last night without you. This is a GPS system. You type in your destination again because you think it didn't work. No, man, it's okay. I remember the first time. No, I didn't. No, it's okay. I know. I swear, man, I know where we're going. Just, let's go, man. Where? Oh, yeah, sorry. Just straight on, man. Just drive. Let's cruise around it. You put in the air conditioner, cool. She's hot. Man, and she can be cool too. So yeah. You know the bastard would take you to every roundabout rondo possible, you know? Yeah man, go another round, go another circle, man! Turn on the blinkers, man, yeah! Blinker party! You know, driving, suddenly smoke starts coming out of the GPS system. I'm like, can you please not smoke it? Didn't I tell you not to smoke in my car? It wasn't me, man. It was your cell phone. I swear, man, I seen him take an ecstasy, man. The motherfucker was ringing until his battery went down. He didn't stop. I swear, man. I swear. So you're driving, and suddenly the GPS system goes, hey, man, can you pour some chocolate on me? Please, just, I don't know, maybe just put a ding-dong on my, I don't know, forehead if I have one. You're driving on, suddenly the GPS system goes, okay, man, we're here, man, you can stop wherever, you know. Pull over, you know, sweater. Man, just stop, man. And you're like, what do you mean we're here? I typed in a street that's uptown and we're downtown. Sucker! Pour some chocolate on me, man. I got low blood sugar, man. You got any papers? Okay, there we go. But if we have two voices, but we have the woman's voice, right? The woman's voice is nice for the GPS navigation system. But let's not use the frigid woman's voice. You know? Looks like she didn't have sex for 5 years. You know? If we have a woman's voice, let's make it a sexy mama. You know, like a really hot baby, you know, you sit yourself in the car, you turn on your GPS system and you go, hey baby, how you doing? Tell me what you need. You know, you type in your destination, oh, so that's where you want to go, huh? Don't worry, I'll take you all the way. You know? You have to type in something else, I don't know what the date or whatever. She goes like, yeah baby, that's it, keep on typing. Keep on typing, yeah, type in me. But then you know that no man alive would leave the car for at least a half an hour, you know? You've been inside like, you like that, huh? You GPS slut, huh? Yeah, want you to rub your cable, huh? Yeah, I'll slap you while you calculate, bitch. Okay, that's everything for me. Thank you very much.
Vid Valič, everybody.